Today, we will be doing a fantastic science experiment and learn about pollination. So, do you know what pollination is?
No!
Well, stay tuned to find out and let's get experimenting!
So what is pollination? Pollination is the process that allows plants to reproduce. So you will need a picture of a bee, one popsicle stick, some clear sticky tape, some glue, some gelatin powder, 2 flower outlines, and 2 saucers or plates. Let's get started. Step 1. Glue the popsicle stick to the back of the bee's body. If a flower is going to grow, it needs the pollen to be moved from one plant to another plant. One way the pollen is moved is by bees. Step 2. Place the sticky tape at the back of the bee's wings and body. Did you know that bees have 5 eyes? Step 3. Place the flower outlines on the plates and then the gelatin powder in the center. This will act as the pollen. Step 4. Now move the bee. Make it fly from one flower to the next, making it dip into the pollen. While they are dipping into the flower, some of the pollen ends up on their body and wings. When the bee visits the next flower on their hunting trip, some of the first flower's pollen drops into the next flower.
Wow! That was so cool!
And now you know how pollination works. What a great experiment! A definite must try! Thank you for watching and please remember to like this video and
subscribe to our channel!
see you all next time. Goodbye!